Hello guys, thank you very much for joining in. Hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students who are preparing for FRM exam to clear their exam in the first attempt. Now over here, a lot of students who are planning to go for FRM Level 1, okay, they might have a query that if they go for November 2022 exam, starting July, if they start their preparation, do they have enough time to prepare? Okay, a lot of students also have query that can I only prepare on weekends and go for the exam? Okay, see, ideally if you are a working professional, okay, on an average you need at least 2 hours time, and 2 hours means dedicatedly distraction free 2 hours to prepare for the exam. Okay, you cannot just read the content just for the sake of it and then say that I've completed a chapter. No, please make sure that you have that time, which is wherein you read the content, whichever book you are referring to. Mostly Swedger, I generally recommend students. So that book, you have to be very, very clear on what is written in the content and what is the understanding that the book wants to give you. Okay. Can you prepare only going through the weekend books, weekend reading and all? I would not suggest doing that, because ideally you need around 150 hours to go through the content, but read the textbook, revise it, okay, solve the questions which are available in the textbook, and then you also need additionally around 100 hours, okay, to go through the question bank. Okay, so 250 is the normal hour that is required for the exam. So if you only prepare using the time which is available on weekend, okay, you might not be able to complete everything before the exam. Okay, and also when you're starting from July, your target has to be to complete everything by September. Keep the October month as buffer to prepare for the externality, because there can be a situation where you might not get time because of some work in the office or some other commitment. So you at least have the month of October to prepare for the exam. Okay, so in a very simple language, 2 hours, at least 2 hours every single day. If you're a working professional, then you can go for the exam for November, 2 hours on a single day, and a weekend slightly more hours, because you might have to solve question bank on weekend. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for your preparation. I'll be adding more such videos in the future for the students who are going for the exams, okay, to help them to assist in their preparation. Thank you.